Dumelang sanibonani, hello my beautiful people. I am Ukushe Bendalo and this is Speak and First-Hand Disky Podcast. And as always, I am not alone. I'm trying to make it with my dog Jack. Yeah.
As she said that I'm here to come call behind the camps, Joey is also here, Chapaspari, always good to you.
Yeah, as always, you guys know, we always bring in the big players, like, men figure, okay, fine, it's fine. Men figure like, so I went by us, Ipapa, guys, was Ipapa.
What do you mean?
No, it's fine. Ipapa is your part of the show.
Look, listen.
Say I'm a soccer player, George, outside the board. That's on today's episode, guys, as always, we have the biggest. Like, is that? No, but it's fine. The biggest of them all. Ngizoba khuluma bathi hey uRulani angazi ini yabo should very like big this is what guys, so we have the biggest of them all. We have to push which one?
I'm introducing.
No, like in fact.
No, okay, we have our business institute which is the institute, but another institute that center back. But another institute shall be told but yeah, all of them are center back so yeah.
Yeah, that's it, guys. You and then she went like Nani, I'm telling you, you scream, you make sounds. Ladies and gentlemen, the Gijo was at the center back.
Oh yeah!
Abuti Gijo, yeah. Welcome. Thank you for coming. Yeah. Yes. So probably like abantu they wonder ubani uSijijo, so like do you mind usitshela ukuthi ubani uSijijo kuleleki salaphi wenzani yabo stuff like that. Yeah.
From Soweto, Grootstedtland. Abangaziyo bambiza Sijijo Best. Vele ngidominate isibhedlela. Manje usually kuhamba Sijijo Best. Wabeke amakhaya. Vele ngidlala ibhola mina.
So manje igama lakho Jake. Jake.
Oh, not Jake.
No,
okay.
That's why.
Why?
It's my grandfather's name.
Oh.
Jake Junior, basically.
Oh, UJR.
Yeah,
oh, okay.
Tonegi bakhulisa njenge-Portuguese. Like khona Cristiano Junior. Okay, Jake Junior.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay njalo. So lena babiza ngalo ke manje le diski lona. Buyaphi le kugala ubani?
Yeah.
Sijijo.
Okay, we Sijijo like we out khona anyhow yaseKenya yabo. Uqola ni Khuma uSijijo the best.
Sure.
Yeah, we mean
Name Nando.
yeah, too much.
For center back.
Like versatile.
Alright.
Yeah, I won't get my position now.
But tell me how. Explain it a little bit.
I understand that. How? Like I was saying, I'm going to
No, it's fine. But I said it's about people like what I was
I was expressing.
So that's why I wanted to be clear.
ngingothoze ukama behind the cams. Come, I understand that. Umnandi. Language of quiet. All right, okay.
Sure. So the odds layer really being casually we as a
Sure.
Ma what are these classic guys? Bengembukela ngisendwana discover ngibukela. So mangda discover atmosphere abantu yabo.
Sure.
Nganyare lesle. Manje nami ngafika one day sakine ikasi. Ngithola amajenzana namushiji. At first amajenza awalithathi ligama.
So the camera thuluza le move vele.
Yeah, plan straight.
Khuluza le center back.
Set up CDA.
Yeah.
Because nami vele ngisethile.
All right. Le camera ka versatile le titabantu ngalezo. Arathe ba understand. No bona ngathi understand. Sure.
So manje Chicho, still like each year as a football player, like what made you to go to that like space, so like football? Like, has it been something that's always been there or
Kahle into yasifemeli kunayitho mfana.
Okay.
Thema lami bedlala idisk. Bedlala ushaya star. Back in the days.
190s.
Yeah, that's what.
Sure.
Okay.
Mine is on because I'm allowed to have a little longer than go with a disk.
Okay.
No, Sapin. Actually, let's change the one game.
Mnandi jaya mne.
Better.
So, go.
Yeah, same situation na inkinga leyami izongigeca ngizorina nayo. Yabo manje ngisho lesi mara same situation.
Yeah, I'm feel now yabona like mara like angicaki fantuka so
Sure.
because ngikhuluma
So into oyincelile
shama bedlala idisk nambele like ngancane bona from sasintwana dlala ikasi strategy then khona ikasi lami bekunethini ikasi lami bona ke ka uzokutshela fika scouts bekayisinya
Kamza modlala ibhola. Wena. Ah, no te muchacha funa. Modlala idisk. Mina ngithi ngishaya amadansa amapeli ke. Mara accept jo. Akufanele.
sure
Yeah.
like bengidlala ikasi sasintwana bomanda 11 and 13 ngaqhubeka njalo from under 15 then that's where ngaqala ngithola i-development grade not to say ikasi bengekho grade so
Sure.
mara bisilekha leyo equipment leyo so
Sure. Okay njalo. Because fair we are ringa about idisk nonana. Abantu ababhaba ke to game over. So mongasitshela nje currently wena ithi modlalelayo udlala vali which club?
Sabelo Superstars Black Poison
Black Poison manje usabela uba uRolando because Black Poison sayikela.
Yeah.
like lelo kama lelo lisuka fair before way back like before kuna
Sure.
I think angiyazi kahle history Black Poison
Sure.
yeah but I think somewhere around those lines it's maybe familiar or something like that they
Sure.
take over but I think we own
So
I think I
before,
should own our
so before it went poison, like okay, before it went poison, when like which team, like which teams would you say they helped you to develop to the person that you are now in football?
quite a lot of things because I was a so
No, like
Oh, done.
nothing.
Ah, not for nothing. Flop away, you know.
It's
I'll get into skin jam. That's why this skin, especially with professional clubs, before I by campaign. Mamela.
Now,
Okay.
this is not about you.
Mengiplaka in nomuntu obukela understand.
Ngiyazi, ngiya-understand yabo. Angeke ngize ngigcoke isikipha
So you understand ukuthi why okay fine.
But it's fine. So as you were saying, then
Yeah, since the initial failure, like, my team no matter because it's like we can reach, which is where we like I'm really cool. That's not. Shout out to Coach Lift.
Coach Lift.
Yeah, like we have been there. I don't fully see this kid is fire.
Sure.
So we didn't take credit.
Alright.
Then I went to UJ. UJ and somebody's cat is fire. Maybe one season. After UJ, it's
Pinterest.
no, it's July.
Sure.
Yeah, that's where like development in Galileo is in danger.
Sure.
Proper facilities, structure, and
Showcase.
because first season man feel like but I don't need I was keep us a team first season.
okay.
Then after that, I went to Mozambique. Oh.
I love what this.
Post-match back. Yeah.
Ini makalah.
Yeah, no.
Domination apa yang nama kos?
Makala.
Makala.
But like majority of my play were from Soweto because coach was by Sakara.
So for how long now?
Shall this is a new one?
Yeah.
Because you are actually still Sarah Hotman.
No, it's full season. That's why something like this. They don't keep it matters.
Yeah.
It matters. It's full season. What is another? What from money?
Okay, ngasho ukuthi indaba indaba yemali kakhulu yabo. Like compare to like as ibhola lesithanda ngakhona nje uyenza noma yini for the ball. Nanoma usokola because you want to ngicamba mama. Abisokola lapha sinisla singadlanga.
From Sotra.
From Sotra. Because that is me now.
Sure.
So, obviously, maybe big team, maybe I'm talking about my team, NFT, because I'm about appealing CT.
Sure.
So, I'm talking about my NFT team, because the ball is very last. City shows I'm Spanish, so I decided I think we're guys. Coach currently logo Black Poison, he was still at Vels. But as a good vet, coach Ash, and turning coach at that. Because very at times, but this time I'm going for any under 19. First team, not first team per se, but like the SAP team.
Sure.
Yeah, which is open. I think it's alright, feelings of like clever boys. And we had a trainer. After 2 days, we could have ourselves.
It's alright.
At Asabu, like thinking as it is, guys,
Sure.
And the coach magazine bazokusala abanye coach labo coach abancane
Sure.
Sure. So baba impezi njalo ngisazali lapho agcina yenza ajime basenela. Sure. It was last year. It's for my match. So
Now the big break yokudlalela Poison. If you're kanjani, like if you're kanjani, as you said now, man, it's okay. Wodlalela amateam asekasi and like if you're kanjani, how did you get there?
The coach master.
I'm better coach. When I'm better coach.
I don't know.
From the sister now. Yes, but I first coach.
How?
And ngikutshela like ukuthi like ungabe isikhathi esincane mara le point esinayo no ngoba ngathi because of ibona mthanda
Sure.
like uthanda leyo indlala ngakhona yabo
Sure.
so avela mncane avela abanalo uthando for mina because njalo bangikhala kuye yatshela coach nokanje nakanje ngiyabhayisisela
Sure.
because nathi kunokufika isikhathi umuntu angazi ukuthi ayenzeni anginathini angelezi because last year the time we make it I was still at school college yabo okay sharp ngayeke elevate ngiqhubeka nesikele ngifocus esikele yabo ayikuthi ngiyele ibhola ngithathe break because like it is bad
Sure.
then mase mangidlala ama-tournament asekasi khona enye coach eseKZN young scar Newcastle Stars idlala ku-ABC yaseKZN
Okay.
afike athi makuvula isizini entsha ngiba yena inhle kuzongitshela masekada then bazosenda imali kanjani ukuthi kufike la yazi ama-team aku-ABC yabona kanjani
Sure.
then kwenzeka kanjalo vele sifike ku-Newcastle Stars namanye ama-cheat wasesowethu vele la wasigadile kuleyo tournament I prepare for the season which was 2024-25 the season this
Okay.
yeah so as isikhathi sibaya siloku siprepare i-chairman unobiza kancane kancane ejimini yabo asazi ukuthi ukhulumani nabo coach nani only to find out ukuthi ukawufuna ukuba i-status yabo and uma kazoba i-status asana amathili and uba i-status sekuzoqala iligi isizini entsha kwaba usichitha kwethu vele badala isipani siphelile nangani mara before bazoba i-status obviously kunama-friendly game besiwadlala against amanye ama-team aseKZN then narafile amanye ama-team mawazi ukuthi iNewcastle iyabhayisa khona be-interested kimi
Sure.
nenye out bengidlala nayo kuleyo team Newcastle abathisizwakalela bazosilungisela izinto vele mnandi because ake ngifuna ukubuyela endlini ngingaphetha ngani ngiyophanda
Sure.
so ngizobuyela endlini ngithembeke like kuba ngathi ngibayilala yabo la vele bangithe feli sharp bathi ngithola naye isikole ukugaya feli nami ngavuma because exposure bengingenayo ku-ABC because that is le yange-CV
Apply it.
CV yakho uma ngabe like ime-grand uba mnandi
Sure.
ngifike la kuleya team leya okay afike this team 2 months iligi iqala ngo-October which was isikhathi esiyi-1 naleli le yayi-Gauteng yabo ngifike la July iligi iqala October ngifike la July bangifika vele bangigaya into yabo lebe sikhuluma ngayo ngingakajimi nalezi basigaya into zethu angibona ukuthi hayi into grand yabo futhi sazoba mnandi isithini sidlala ama-friends kube mnandi vele siloko siyadlala kube mnandi mase kuzocala iligi man yabona ucoach sho ukuthi like abo-coach like obviously as a coach like abo-coach babo bayi-3 la kuleya team
Sure.
each and every coach nama-player wayo into eyenzakalayo kuleya team khona ucoach angeke aze akuthande khona ucoach angeke like okuncanywana uye lo busy la
Sure.
so kahle kahle yena beka-up number ngama-coach abewangama-Frostani la
Okay. Sure.
because first of all into abayenza ukuthi bangama-Frostani ukuthi bangifika la bangiswitch position
Udlala sengakhi?
behind strike best behind strike manje ngiyabona kodwa like bawungekho happy as a player nje angeke ukwazi ukudeliver
For sure.
angeke ukwazi ukudeliver yabo mara bengizama by all means ukuthi into engincanyayo into engizele
Sure.
because coach khona the same coach amahlezi angitshela yona nje ukuthi you can't force a fish to swim because that's how i-survival ngakhona
Sure.
so nami kumele ngibhone because into engiphila ngayo so ngazitshela ukuthi azini it's fine wonke lama-challenge engifisisana nawo ngizowaqoqa
Sure.
phezu kwabo unfortunately before kuzoqala league. I think it was end of September. Abangitshela before kuzoqala league vele bangitshela abathayi ntwana thina screen now. Abathayi screen now. Double coach bathi nani chairman yakhala uthi engekwazi ukubhatala ngani. Abathayi feel enough flow ngibisele ekhaya. Vele nambeke ngoyini labo.
Sure.
So ngabona ukuthi azina bayangisiza somehow bayangikhawatha as a player because uzobile kasizwe lezana ngeke isikele phela ngeke isikele la ikhiziphi kasi register scale register ngicabanga ukuthi ngizohlala ngayenzini
and it is skill azubiza jo and abaqhameli ushiya into ezibhayo ushiya isigela ushiya family ushiya imeli despair
so when speaking of image ngiyabona yabo mina umuntu onothisa izinto le so ngiyambona ngogayi ufake uyenze i-buffet shine unobili
sure ngizokuchazela
bunole igama lemali
ngapha kuno-s
next try
uyatry
Kontesana. Kontesana, honest. Like tell me about honest. Kontesana. Ayikho solid.
talking stage
baba.
Plus mina tama ngikuthembe yabo because amasoka player vela shaya abantwana. Amasoka player shaya abantwana.
Shaya abantwana kanjani? Enza abantwana.
Wenza abantwana.
Speaking of wenza abantwana, yazi mina ngifika la ngizenze like ayijihenze lakho ukubona bo. Nencosi khona bo. Love of my lives. Yebo, means abantwana baba bayithuka.
Serious?
Nah, inzuzo senjani feel yabo ngicela ngalo.
Bese sithi uthashada uyinje.
Ngoba yafuneka Facebook na yaphela. Ngiyajoka abantwana right.
So njaya mama because last say ngawe and singa ngedisk yabo. So far na sithi udlala idisk uzimisele ngani like ufuna ukufika ku ngedisk.
Idreamer ngisoccer player wonke umuntu odlala ibhola uzotshela ufuna ukufika ku-pro.
But the problem nonke nama dreams but anenzi into like grand example khona umuntu okhuluma ukuthi ami dream lami ukuthi nje ngidlala iskini ngidlala PSL but ubusy ngezinye way and like it's correlated to disk khona abantu ababhizi ngama drugs skate phela skate is bad for disk I'm talking river it's bad I'm switching off ama-drugs utshwala skate sibhede yamchaza uChristiano mas so uma isoka player uthi ngifuna ukufika la amele usipane nje so mina ngifuna ukuya ukuthi since fair ukuthi ufuna ukufika something ngedisk yini oyishayayo like for wena uthi akazini ngifuna ukuricha la uyajima as individual sometimes or shaya incika nabajindikazi shaya ipipe abembuza
Mandangifika
awubhemi awuphuzi sho isinusi
It's true, yeah. That is a season which is called my next down.
sure
Not to good right for my play and
Because the
majority of my coach are from the Alex.
True.
Yeah.
So currently uthe udlala ku Black
Poison.
Poison.
Superstars.
So unama moments ongawashare like awakho no coach Rulani
Well,
coach or like inchayisana sho amguy motivation nyana
so zingisho never man. Mina mangifika ku Black Poison. Like it was after 2 weeks baqeda ukumsayina eMopo.
sure
Because mina mangibuya the weekend of September.
Sure.
bekuzoqala like isizini nje around October.
Sure.
Mangibuya mina besekangeke.
Sure.
Yeah. But abantu abacoachile aboJoy so ngizokutshela mina coach angafeli. But he was there on our last game, which was Friday.
Sure.
Wednesday, Friday, there was a game, I was moving like there was a good feeling to we motivation, much in Tapa.
Yeah.
Sure.
Because song is really good, like it's fun like great goes with and we don't see like Sisa Vantava Sisa Vantava so we won't tell them.
Sure. Yeah, because stories when it's got to be ngaso yabo. Ukuthi makadlala kuyini team kuni team yasekhaya bathi sicathulo sika Medium.
Sure.
Udlalile la ucimba waswitcha waya ku Black Poison. Imnandi phela lantana liya. From that to Swallows kanjalo kanjalo. Angena sonke stories santanga yabo but don't they so ngifo sicocela boy.
So manje okay. Udlala Black Poison then. Like, what's that one team Osho? Sabona le one day. Le one day. We wanna pair. What's that one team? And what is it that can get you to that team?
Okay, the question of leading on the team.
Yeah.
Oh, it's in Tadwa. Like Spanish Farai grounding which most important teaching. Because it's like image is, to be honest. Simple.
It's simple.
It's not.
Because most of just something about teaching.
What's the pressure?
It is clear and fair to understand. Kona out, njengokabu kanje. Ethi mina makamnandi. Should kiss a coach singamkeli. Ethi mina mnandi out. Ora ke mina yafamba. Yabo khona lezo. So obviously coach ugcina bonke ukuthi awukama maze deserve bench. Sisibonela ama Cox. Yakutshela le team awudlali the Cox liyadlala. Yeah, inisala bench in Cox liyaspa.
Lapho fika nje Coxelli.
Yeah. Mara ethi mina ngesipad. Coach. Because yakusijwayela free but egame eish.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Yeah, into like into kawatama chenza baya like it's training inzima mina from Cheliva from inzima like it's training like that's where nizama izinto ezintsha banitshela ama information abaya kumele like or transport
and number one challenge is to understand
ezinye izinto lezo
sure namkhulumela yena mina amasoccer players ehome amasoccer player most isingabla
I don't think
yeah so they will tell ukuthi hard work and ukuthi figure out uzimisela dedication commitment and so on like very committed as I am like nami ngiyafuna ukuzibona la actually
I do.
biggest teams in the same
Yeah.
because I'm a biggest team
free career
so manje unangakhi dog mina sazi
No, it's fine.
27 na 27
Sundown.
pero na must unangakhi bona permiso 7
Sundowns ne
why not the Kaizer Chiefs because it's big club
no Kaizer Chiefs yabona iPirates ne ukuthi ngifuna ukuyidlala ngikhule ngifavor
okay
like it's family yonke Pirates actually
sure
any towns like style of place Sundowns lesi sidlalayo ku Black Poison Bola Lkhozi
and Mahazi
Bola la azungile nje hey
awushaya pasta
amarona yenzeka obviously style of place ethu vele sisala ukuthi senza ama mistake la ukuthi si hayi mawu
mina njalo ngakutshela mami mina ngista ngiyashaya mistake njalo ngiski mina window cha sinoma iliphi iwinga maye ungifake cross ayisho window window beka yakhatha inside window mina mangitshela mama the podcast le about abantu abafana nami abawaste talent yabo so sikhuthaza siphuza kanjani ngaphuza ibhola
uzile apha skate abantu amantombazana that's why
true amantombazana siyeke because emotion but njengoba ngikutshela nje yabo nabe ngimnandi but asiyeke indaba yami yabo because bazongifuna manje bazongiza ngikhuluma sibese bathi ngimnandi sayilandelela sifuna uyazi sifuna izifike lapho the trick yeah mina ngistar wachita mabhayi ekhasi bafundisile disk but indaba ayikho ngami because nami ngakudrobula vele but okay ukamule pressure
as a big player you should like the confidence is important yeah so when how do you like ngama bad game ngama bad game
like man is Black Poison. That's why his slogan said Black Poison show like it's more than a football club. Like it's a family so like umuntu makanendanga elibi like obvious wonke hayi umuntu uzoba ne good game khona lawo ma big game sina there for ukuthi senze siphakamise especially ama senior wethu driver yo so wethu but man so wethu uJuni andile wendrone ama senior wethu clubbing like lama hotman la ne hotman like bayakwazi ukubuild intwana bayakwazi ukubuild player shout out to my Junior and the windroom. Nabo coach me, like that would play prison back there, would see the Pola, we free, who's overconfident in that way. Because most of the listen to my line, who's in the mistake, or zero. Would my back control, Lala the way you are confident. Sugar, you should get no player. Obviously ukuthi unenkinga nawo ukuthi ushawushukela ne marifo khona angeke sibe kuyo abojo banyana so into zabo
so nje because la center back ngiyacabanga une idol yabo PSL or overseas so iliphi player like ngobona lona Thailand ufuna ukufana nayo or ngithanda le kule position oyidlalayo.
You know what's funny? Mina ngithanda ama midfield la Joe. Ngithanda lezi la.
So ba lo tso.
ngasinimela abayidabili
Okay, okati feri mina ngithanda Federico Valverde.
Valverde.
Chezi number 8
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay, emzansi feri. The Grinchia wa.
Lord.
South Africa must be cash.
yeah
No, the boy is super cool. How fun was it?
Yeah, it's tough.
I heard one time before.
Ngikhumbuza mina lo mshishi.
Yeah. Okay, Timbo, and since I became the first time I like. Can I look at my husband in the long Santa?
Tolimvala, Trenkekana, Musalebu, yeah.
Could come and collect it.
So,
Yeah. It's telling a man, like what? It's telling a man, it's more difficult.
relax.
Yeah. Because when the most of that does it, it's over your. I want to move the engine, Ilani. But this is so elemental. We start to it.
Because you never believe in this game, you build up. It's a midfield.
Sure.
You can't try and give my engine in spy. Because I'm a midfield is by spy. I create an opportunity.
Sure.
I win when receive the ball and pass on midfield. I don't pass. I'm a defender, sponsor, me never my cane. Me the tire out. I go like coming to say overtime. But the ball, I'm not move. Say, I'm not coming to stand in your gun. Most saving it, I don't relax. I'm relax. So for when he position me when he is so far for me I strike. Remember for me I strike. I'm not telling about the striker. So I could keep up. Baltasha would have back. I'm teaching his was a mark, which doesn't relax. No, I relax. No, he's got so get better. It's cheese bazoba batyaba zona mara beyi-striker zabathi azikori lisibana sikho mara iphoshelekise cabanga udlala i-full back-ke uthole nezokushiya center back goalkeeper wayibhambu loko position anzima ukufika maybe lapha enkabini kumele uthele nje athele opponent udlala imingona first touch so i-striker kusimple dam nomprefer i-striker awukhathali prasa kayi-one just kayi-one nyana ngakutshela but i-striker prasa kayi-one ngepasa kayo sabhizi ndiyakudlula liyangani nayo bazomakha mani sezinix mari game time ihlezi available
So when each and every episode, abantwana babantu uzoba
mina i-advice emnayo for wonke umuntu nje udlala i-striker
Personally, Joe, the way we feel ngakhona le. Ayikho position easy, Joe. Like I go from goalkeeper to striker. Zonke le setimana.
jabulisa umuhle umuntu
No serious.
ayikho
Setimana zonke lezi. Phela uma strike ungagoli. Siyakusaka thina. Siyaxoxa thina sakhulu. Orawudlali ke.
ngizokutshela something about the striker mina nenja yami
Sure.
ma-striker ama-opportunity abhayo zicreative baku-createla tap in net
But if I walk all lawa mathepini,
okay mina ngikhulumela mina ngiyishaya ngiyishaya
Okay, so since we're like unamagoli ayingabikho
yabo umuntu engekho awuwazi uthanda kanani awuwazi kancane awuwazi uthanda kanani kancane
mimi record.
ukuproside bambalela amagoli ekasi ngizobalela abanye abakhohlwa ju mina David Tolekike lento engakazi ngakora kulo alikho makangeni balo makhamba mara mina ngisho yimi kuphela iplekela shaya i-perfect trick kila the foot right hand bani wena ufuna ukhulumela i-boyfriend yakho uthi intswembu maye namkhumbela mina njalo mina idiske ngisadlala mara mina ngimnandi yabo so i-aim yami ukukhuthaza abajiti abanepotential ukuthi ungayezi amaflop esiwashayile because mina ngisaba ukujola ngijoleni obuhle nabanye ungangiphiki but
Okay, I like them back.
indaba iskini yake back in the days
Yeah, sure.
so tama wena sinivele umdlali because uyazi ngeke uze la kumnandi ngoba kuthina sibiza technical game yonke awutheza la imnandi
Sure.
yabo angeke manje sikutshela ukuthi hata ngavela ungekho mnandi sakena umnandi ngediski mara thina sikhuluma lo mnandi lo bakutshela wona ukuthi umnandi sikhuluma lo mnandi basediskini sikhuluma lo mnandi basediskini angeke uze la ungekho mnandi njalo sinsifere umnandi uncahaza yiphi like motivation nyana ungayigaya intwana nyana edlala ikasi because intwana mayiza give up ziba like mina ntsho ngiyahlupheka amnanix ngiyaswela yabo and bakhona abantu abadlala fair but makastruggle naye but not doing something so in advance ungayigaya intwana uthatho okay uzufike la uriche la kumele wenze
Mina into engayi like intwana nga-advise ngokuthi intwana ungagive up. Like ungagive up. Awukuthi ugive up. Like usuqhubeka nje. Because that is legend esikuyo thina as a soccer player ayikho easy.
sure
Akho easy ukudlala ibhola nje. Like sibani wonke umuntu maka like wonke umfana. Wonke umzali makazozala umntana umfana. Ufuna ukumbona soccer player.
gcwala
Majority, let me say majority. Na leyo ntwana leyo mayikhulu ithi yazina. Mina ngifuna ukuba isoccer player, mina ngicabanga bani.
yeah
Awukho easy makaphusha, ungastop fight awudlala ibhola le. Bheka ukuthi like abobani team sabobani. Udona tekomulisi zoshaya ikhulu ngayo. Like udlala ku pro side ananga
24
lapho seka-4 so wena usasena 15 uzofuna ugive up una 15
yabo
Yabo, nathi siyam-
because mina ngiba phela 19
because that is le to ngathi ne Fede no connection. I want to connect.
So keeping that man.
No, okay, sometimes yes, funny that is. Tell it loud,
Yeah.
but sometimes no connection is pana. Like connection says are those who keep this bar.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, because I'm going to how far it is. Because I'm a player pro side magic card.
Yeah, what call? Yeah, it's like you president of Tuki. I'm Zalama it's me against. Against.
Okay, I sharp manager. So I'm the game for when Jack. Shooting game is like if you chain the bonus. Yeah, you got. So if you like it's over like you play came against against to ban against to ban until Sophia Lionel Messi. So okay, against really played against against until Sophia Lionel Messi. So about how far the disc.
No, can
So the example man. Okay, so team ngidlaleni bafana zitha odlala nomfukeng like sifika kumshishi odlala umfukeng odlala against umshishi
Messi.
uMessi sure Lionel Messi
I know, I simple.
okay shas lalela udlala against ban udlala against ban
Mara is like get fast.
okay shas lalela
Like nama play phone yana fine. Ufike kuMessi.
shas lalela
Udlala against Uri.
okay
Urile udlala against Umudawo. See.
okay sure
See la udlala against Umba. Udlala against Messi.
shade Jack shade
Feeling like the question. And this question I think contributes to each and every player also. If you had like 3 things to change in South African football, what would you change? Only 3.
Only 3, ne?
Yeah.
South African football. And I change.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I need to age cheating because age cheating, yeah, everywhere. Couldn't I use a little bit, but it's not 17, but I'm going to tell my language. No, I never change. Oh, my, like we're doing good, guys.
Do you think so?
I feel like we're doing good. Like for South African football, like there's the same game, it's squad too. And it's a computer kuma KF Pega no it's sometimes you club World Cup. It was against the
same group near the team I think the team got Messi if I'm not mistaken
it sounds the same group in Yannick. Dortmund, Bayern, Dortmund, something.
see as Inter may have a check
like Joe, Tabangas, like us no sexual recognition. I'm sorry. Like that, Siba there.
So according to you, you feel like I
It's change, you know, like. No, Marika. You know what's the problem? Do you know what's the problem then?
I'll figure out
About 4 to choose like that's how we champion a corny but it's a call about the bad now team now.
sure
And I get to coping is Pamutika, Mamus and team there.
sure
Ooh, I need to be ball. Not knowing what's that come out. Some of my with by Spaghetti with the fit last year, Basili, sneaking is to last night. Sneaking is no peliman, this not to long next.
sure
It's all the links. I've seen this has changed a little.
she's like thank you for your honesty. Because I think Nancy is the way we're going to and
Getting busy, maybe love my aspects now. I'm a try this. Okay, now, okay, sharp, man. I was okay. That's against the line. Let's tell you one thing about amatrans.
Sure.
I mean, I wouldn't advise it on amatrans. Because amatrans are fundraising. And so,
Sure.
And the kulaw materials now, basuke may bafuna ma-play tune, yani 400. And the kulaw materials, but in keep him out. Keep on the and I think I want to stop the one funa, and then I funa ma-play tune,
And when you have a material,
And it's diplomatic.
cheaper.
150
And so,
Yes.
lapho suka kuphi? Usuke ekheni ngubani? Ngizotrayela ku-school of excellence. School of excellence ifuna ujoyina ukaba.
nice.
And so ifuna i-middle field ne-strike. Kuza ama-defender, kuza abo-goalkeeper. Like why for it? Into angayitshintsha field.
because abanye ngizwa bathi like unokusuke awuthi suke kuma-KZN akakuze kuma-crime akalala bagcina sebalala ema-toilet
Into like yabona indaba zama-trial too. That's why mina ngiprefer ukuthi doesn't uye kuma-closed or kuma-assessment whereby uboniwe somewhere bakulanda bathi umntwana zwakala uzozama. That's all. Then ukuthi akhiya angingivimbeli ukuthi kuma-trial nawo ama-team angasho ukuthi usijijo isimoshela hayi ngizenzile. But like senyasho ukuthi angi-advise ingane incane kuma-trial because into abazenzayo.
Sure.
Like from under 11 to 19, ufuna ama-play two. So yenze imali ngoma. And so into feeling must change a little bit, man.
Okay.
Sure.
But you didn't give me like great confidence and I need to play number one. Still okay,
No matter the like,
Hey, you want to try?
I'm down. Sharp.
So currently club in favor overseas because of SARS. And you have one to the club in favor overseas.
Okay, Premier League. Premier League is it. Ever. I think La Liga Madrid.
Can you tell me?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid.
Yeah. Los Blancos.
Oh, it's gonna have a nickname.
Young fans. Sana la Ramos.
Okay. Yeah.
That's it.
Thank you so much for coming. But thank you for coming and thank you for sharing who Chicho is. And I hope everyone at home learned something from him. Thank you so much for watching. So there's don't forget to like, comment,
Subscribe.
like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That's a lot.
And follow Speaking for Stan, follow Uschijo, IG.
Okay, guys, my IG handle 04_Stijo.
Yeah.
Follow and I'm faith.
We don't follow, bro.
I never
Who's on share?
Thank you.
Thank you.